Hello, welcome to things I have bought to upgrade my house. Today we have our heat pump, which is a Senville, as you can see. It is a ducted one, which I can show you inside. But first, over here, the refrigerant lines, which go in and around into the house. We put that little cap on it to protect it from weather. Well, we bought that ourselves. It didn't come with it. The rest that you see here did, like the stand. Now the weather is a little warmer now, as you can see. But generally these coils does a defrost cycle about every hour. It isn't scheduled by how frosted it is, if there's snow on it or ice. It just is a time, which we were a little disappointed with, because on the nicer days it might not need to go into defrost mode as much, which does affect the heating of the house. All right, let's go inside so I can show you that part. So as you can see, the refrigerant lines come through here, as well as the electrical lines, this black one here. Sorry, it's a little hard to walk down here, so I might be stumbling a bit. As you can see, it is an open crawl space here, dirt floors. The plastic is from waterproofing, which we are doing now. Anyway, here's the unit. We wrote down the filter size on it so we know when to change it. And the duct work. Now we have a mix of flex duct as well as the hard duct, circular and rectangle. Just go over here so you can see the other side. Now we did recycle the old ducts from the furnace, which used to be over in the next room here. You can see the little pad it sat on. Well, anyway, more of the duct work. Like I said, we put all this up ourselves. Jar was the real wizard here, did all the calculations for it to make sure everything works and was running. Now we mostly worked on this during evenings and weekends, so it did take a little bit to install, as we both do have full-time jobs. And the hardest part actually wasn't hanging it, but probably this big rectangular piece here. It goes from the front here to the back here, and it was just a nightmare to hang. But we got it done, and we do think the heat pump works very well. Sometimes we come home and it's actually too hot, so it really does a good job despite the Canadian winters. And we're looking forward to seeing what it does for the air conditioner in the summertime. Here you can see the thermostat, which does come with the system. As you see the little Senville on the corner. Right now we do have the heat on. As you can see, fan mode is on. Fan mode is on high as well. All right, here you can see, as well as the different modes here: cool for AC, dry heat, fan only. And then of course it is in Fahrenheit, not Celsius. We are Canadian, so we do go by Celsius here. So it's no big deal for us to convert it. My dad actually learned both. There we go. To the inside, so you can set the different modes. Fans being eco mode, temperature, that kind of thing. And there we go, that's the unit.